Good evening, everyone! I'm Anne Nathalie, your friendly MaxiCare agent, and welcome to another live session with me. And this time, we're going to focus only about MaxiCare's best-selling prepaid health card, the affordable, the in-demand MaxiCare eReady Advance. So, kumusta kayo, guys? Nice to see you again, everyone. And shout out muna tayo to everyone who's watching with us here right now. Once again, please comment where you are watching us right now by saying, "Hi, I'm watching from Cebu," for example. So sa mga Bisaya diha, maayong gabi eh. And guys, 3 days to go. Mother's Day na. So can you also tag your mothers tonight para ma-shoutout natin sila? Sila mama, sila nanay, sila tita, sila mamila, mga momshi. Hello, hello! Sige nga, let's see the comments right now. Hello, Miss Nori Alonsabe. Good evening. Thank you for watching. Carrie Dre, hello din po. Hi, Miss Josefina. Kumusta po? Good luck. Thank you daw. Thank you. And Miss Angelica Franco Ginto. Yes, hashtag MaxiCare eReady Advance. Good evening. Hi again, Miss Nori. Good evening as well. April Joy Escrupulo Suklan. Hashtag MaxiCare eReady Advance. Thank you for watching. Hi, Michi! Michael Vincent, thank you for watching, of course. Hi, Vinsoy, you're watching us as well. May gabi, Ann Char. Hi, Carrie Dre. And of course, my sister is here. Hi, Ate Mai, April Marie. Thank you for watching us tonight. Hello, Sir Bong Geeking. Sorry, by the way, if ma-mispronounce ko yung mga names ninyo, but I'll try my best. Hello, Miss Macleotilde Flotildes. Good afternoon or good evening din po. Hello, Miss Camille. Good evening. And of course, Miss Angelica Franco Ginto, watching from Pampanga. Hello from everyone in Pampanga. And of course, bias tayo dito. Hello din sa mga taga Cebu. Chat and comment na kayo dito sa comment section natin. Okay, hello. Thank you for all your hashtags. Hello, Miss Jasmine Aquino. Thank you also for watching. All right. Ang dami natin tonight. Keep your comments in. Also, tag your family and friends, guys, because baka naghanap pa kayo ng Mother's Day's gift. So, this might be their best gift ever this year. The gift of care all year round. So, tag them right now. Also, hello to my clients. And if you're watching the replay, welcome. Thank you for joining us tonight. Also, guys, this is a very special opportunity because we will be answering your questions live. So take this opportunity to ask them through our comment section, okay? So if ever may extra time tayo, we can accommodate them later on. So keep your questions coming. If related sa eReady Advance, let's go. We will answer them. Of course, guys, hindi talaga makakompleto ang MaxiCare Facebook Live sessions natin pag walang games. So yes, we still prepared a game for you to get a chance to win our GCash prizes. All you have to do is leave a comment with a hashtag MaxiCare eReady Advance. Again, that's hashtag MaxiCare eReady Advance as flashed on your screen. To qualify to win, you just need to share this video, like this video, and also tag 3 of your friends for more chances of winning. Okay? May pa-raffle tayo tonight. So baka swerte-swerte yung mga nandito. So make sure, comment, hashtag MaxiCare eReady Advance. And make sure to watch till the end because we will announce our winners. Alright, so let's see kung sino pa nandito. Hello, hello. Hello, Miss Grace Rogero. Happy Mother's Day in advance. I totally agree. This Sunday na po. Hello, Miss Sandin Manlapaz. Okay, leave your questions here ha so that we can answer them live. Okay, sa mga papunta pa sa live session natin, make sure to tag your friends so that we can invite your friends as well and we can shout them out here in our live session. And this is recorded, guys. So every time mag-replay tayo, lagi natin ma-mention yung names nila. Okay? Alright, so ang dami na natin for tonight's session. We will now finally start. Okay, this is our main topic tonight. It's about MaxiCare eReady Advance. So what is MaxiCare eReady Advance? And what can it do for me, for my family, for my savings, or even my health? Is this really the health card for me and my family? So tara, guys, let's all find out together. MaxiCare eReady Advance, guys, is a prepaid health card plan and it comes with two variants. So we have eReady Advance Titanium at 2,950 or pwede ding eReady Advance Platinum at 3,950. This is already valid for 1 year, guys. So yes, you heard it right. 2,950 is valid for 1 year. And may healthcare coverage na po kayo, that's equivalent to 365 days. It's like spending 8 pesos per day. So, saan ba aabot ang 8 pesos mo? So, may dalawang plans tayong pwede pagpilian. We have eReady Titanium, the red one. It has access to our nationwide hospitals, excluding lang sa 6 major hospitals. We also have eReady Platinum, the blue one. It has nationwide access as well, including the 6 major hospitals, such as Asian Hospital, Cardinal Santos Medical Center, Makati Med, St. Luke's, and the Medical City. So if you prefer going to the major hospitals, the Platinum plan is best for you. But if you're from Visayas or from Mindanao, or if malayo kayo from our 6 major hospitals, then the Titanium plan is best for you. But you might want to ask, Miss Anne, what are the affiliated hospitals ba ng eReady Advanced Titanium? So we have more than 1,000 accredited hospitals nationwide and we cannot show that in our slides. So make sure guys that after this session, please send me a message so that we can check if the nearest hospital sa area nyo is affiliated with MaxiCare because it's important guys to go directly to our accredited hospitals only kasi it's only our MaxiCare accredited hospitals yung tumatanggap ng eReady Advance cards natin as our payment for the emergency. Okay? And for eReady Advanced Platinum members, we recommend go directly to any of our 6 major hospitals kasi it's part of your coverage. And yes, this is very convenient guys kasi our health cards have our members' names on it. May card din po tayo. Okay? Now that we know which hospitals we can go, let's now learn when can we use or when can we utilize our eReady Advance plans. So remember guys that MaxiCare eReady Advance is a prepaid health card that provides one-time coverage for emergency-related cases, including those requiring confinement. Take note guys, the usage of this card is emergency-related cases only. So mga emergencies like difficulty in breathing, animal bites, mga food poisoning, stroke, unconsciousness, drowning, and even vehicular accidents. But you might ask, Miss Anne, how about yung mga pre-existing conditions? So yes, covered ang pre-existing illnesses even if related sa pre-existing condition yung emergency visit natin. So any life-threatening situation, guys, covered. Okay? The advance. Next, let's learn about the total coverage. So how much is the health coverage ba ng eReady Advance, Miss Anne? So eReady Advance, guys, provides up to 50,000 one-time emergency coverage. So take note, guys, the keyword dito is one-time use. So pag active na po yung plan natin and the member is rushed to the ER because of emergency, let's say umabot yung hospital bill ng 40,000. So pasok sa limit natin, di ba? This means MaxiCare will then cover for that hospital bill. Then, after ma-discharge na si member from the hospital, the plan will also be deactivated after kasi it's one-time use. So, even if umabot ba yung hospital bill ng 50,000 or not, the account will be deactivated after utilization, okay? But don't worry guys because we can register after 7 days from the activation para may eReady Advance coverage na naman tayo ulit, okay? Sulit, di ba? Next, let's see the inclusions for emergency care. So our eReady Advance already covers the doctor services, emergency room fees, medicines while in the ER, x-rays, laboratories, diagnostic examinations while in the ER, other medical services related to the emergency treatment of the patient is also covered. But what if Miss Anne nag-advise si Doc na need talaga i-confine si member or kailangan siya i-admit sa hospital? So the good news guys is yes, eReady Advance has inpatient coverage. So the confinement benefit has a regular private room, it's covered. Use of operation room, intensive care unit, isolation room, even our recovery room, as long as prescribed by our attending physician, it is covered. So it also includes the professional fees, standard nursing services, medicines, even while confined, is covered. Blood products and IV fluids is also covered. X-rays and laboratories and diagnostic tests while confined is also covered. Ang tanong ni Miss Nori, we will answer right now. Ang mga kasambahay, pwede ba mag-apply ng MaxiCare card at anong kailangan pag nag-apply? So that's a very good question, Miss Nori. All of our members who are, which we can also mention later, 15 days old to 65, can be covered. All of our eReady Advance applications, if you want to have this eReady Advance card under your name, even for our kasambahay, even for our family members, friends, automatic approved yung mga applications natin. Okay? So we will also dig deeper on that as well. Thank you for asking your question, Miss Nori. Okay, so by the way, guys, to continue with our confinement benefit, we just need to take note that the confinement benefit will only be covered if and only if it's an emergency case in nature. So pag sinabi, let's say, Miss Anne, may surgery ako next month, pero nag-register muna ako ng eReady Advance today. Covered ba ang confinement and surgery? So the answer, guys, is no. Scheduled confinement is not covered. It has to be an emergency first, leading to confinement para ma-covered, okay? Next, let's now learn about the exclusions and limitations for our eReady Advance. So for example, member is rushed due to an emergency. Tapos, yung root cause pala ng ER visit niya is negligence. Example, texting while driving, tapos na aksidente. So, not covered yung ER visit natin, okay? Next, unauthorized use of prohibited drugs or regulated drugs. So, alcoholic liquor intake as well while driving, for example, tapos na accident is also not covered, especially that we will honor the police report. Next, direct or indirect participation in the commission of a crime, whether consummated or not. Violation of law or ordinance. So, nasagasaan but wala tayo sa pedestrian lane. So, we are violating our law or ordinance. So, not covered. Unnecessary exposure to imminent danger like hazardous sports and hazardous activities is also not covered. So just take note guys, basta mga self-inflicted na mga situations, hindi tayo covered. Yung mga emergency lang talaga na hindi natin inaasahan. Okay? Ano yung pre-existing condition covered? Tanong ni Miss April Joy, Escrupulous Suklan. That's a very good question, Miss April Joy. So any pre-existing like, for example, hypertension or stroke or diabetes, if the nature of the ER visit is an emergency, meaning diagnosed po tayo sa doctor upon visit na emergency po talaga siya, covered tayo kahit anong pre-existing condition. Okay? Next, don't worry guys, mas marami pa rin tayong inclusions kaysa sa mga exclusions natin. Okay, so now let's take a look at our additional coverage of eReady Advance. So we have free and unlimited consultations in our MaxiCare Primary Care Centers or tinatawag nating PCC. So while the plan is active, our MaxiCare members can avail these free consultations in our standalone clinics owned by MaxiCare. So face-to-face consultation ito with our physicians in our PCCs. But if ever, let's say malayo kayo sa mga MaxiCare PCC branches namin, you can still avail our teleconsult, our consultation free and limited coverage via our teleconsult. So we have hotline numbers. You can speak with our physicians over the phone. Another additional benefit, we have 10% discount on our selected Metro Dental services. Also, we have emergency medical evacuations for members who are more than 150 kilometers from the place of residence. So this is your ambulance, pero covered lang tayo within our maximum limit if 150 kilometers away from residence to the hospital. Okay? And lastly, our additional benefit, we have a group life accidental death and dismemberment coverage up to 50,000. So our partner for this coverage is Manulife, and they will be the ones to give our coverage if we have any claim due to accidental death, dismemberment, and disablement. Okay? Next, let me flash on the screen the branches of our MaxiCare Primary Care Centers or yung na-mention namin kanina, PCC. So nationwide ito, walk in lang with your eReady Advance e-card and present with your valid ID for our validations. Okay? Pwede po ba sa mga anak ang age and coverage? That's a good question, Sir Bong. Yes, pwede po sa ating mga anak, pwede din po sa ating parents and senior loved ones. So, to qualify for this plan, at least age 15 days old. So, kahit 15 days old na newborn baby, covered up to 65 years old. Okay? Malaking wide coverage tayo for our members. Miss Grace Ruggiero is asking, wala po yung family plan na parang isahang bili na lang na MaxiCare prepaid. Wala po ba yung parang family plan? So that's a good question, Miss Grace. Our prepaid plans are individual plans only. So wala tayong family type na prepaid plan. So each member talaga may coverage. Hindi tayo pwede mag-declare ng dependents dito. It's only one member, one card. So the family plan, for our premium plans naman po yun siya pwede. So if ever gusto natin i-cover yung everyone sa family natin, from our spouse to our children to our grandparents, each member should have one eReady Advance card. So mag-register tayo for each. Okay? Miss Carrie Dre is also asking, after registration of the card, is it already activated na po ba? That's a good question. That's also one of our commonly asked questions for this plan. So no, Miss Carrie Dre, after registration, for example, today, nag-register tayo, it's May 6. After 7 days pa po pwedeng ma-use yung card. So May 13, 2021 to May 13, 2022, active yung plan. So if ever may client din ako nag-ask, nasa ER na siya ngayon, tapos gusto niya na mag-register ng eReady Advance, pwede tayo mag-register but hindi tayo makakover kasi 7 days pa yung activation period. So mag-wait pa tayo ng 7 days before maging activated yung plan. Okay? So kaya lagi namin sinasabi dito, my friends and families, that it's better to be a month early than a day too late kasi we have waiting period every time we register for a healthcare plan. Okay? All right. Miss Mary Joy is also asking how to enroll for a MaxiCare health card. Joy, and thank you as well, Miss Mary Joy, for tagging your friends. So that's a good question. As your agent, Miss Mary Joy Cordevo Juanico, I will be the one to register the cards under your name. You just need to follow the 3 steps. So please message me after the session so I can send you the 3 steps. So actually we have 5, but the 4 and 5 will be done by me because I will be registering it under your name. Para mas less hassle po sa inyo. And guys, within 15 minutes, may eReady Advance card na kayo. So make sure, message me after the session so I can send the 3 steps to apply. Miss Mary Joy is also asking how to apply via online, how many days na ma-process. So yung registration process natin, 15 minutes lang po. So if mag-register tayo today, pwede natin i-link yung eReady Advance card through our members, pero 7 days pa po siya maging ready for use, meaning dun pa tayo pwede maka-avail ng mga benefits. How to apply via online? As your agent, you can apply through me. We just need to coordinate with you privately. So we can send the steps. So all you need to do kasi, we need to request for your information kasi we need your information so that we can link it to the card, and then the payment. Okay? Miss Nori is also asking, magkano po ang monthly pag nag-open ng card? So wala tayong monthly, Miss Nori. One-time payment po siya. That will be 2,950 valid for 1 year. So isang bagsakan na 2,950 valid na po siya for 1 year. Or if gusto niyo po for the 6 major hospitals, that will be the eReady Advance Platinum 3,950. Miss Glyza Joy is also asking, meron pa po bang plan para sa 70 years old? Yes, that's a very good question, Miss Glyza Joy. MaxiCare covers for all ages. Pero since hindi na sila mag-qualify for E-Ready Advance, pwede po sila mag-qualify sa Prima Gold natin kasi we cover 60 years old and beyond. So Prima Gold lang po yung mag-qualify na plan sa kanila. Don't worry, Miss Glyza, I will reach out to you after the session so I can send you the brochure for our Prima Gold. Okay. Thank you as well. Keep your questions coming, guys. Also, please take a screenshot on the slides that you can see right now for your reference on our branches for MaxiCare PCCs. By the way, guys, yung free consultations natin will only be valid if yung E-Ready Advance plan natin is also active. So example, what if nagamit na yung E-Ready Advance natin after 2 months kasi may emergency? So yung mga consultation benefit din natin, hindi na rin natin ma-avail. So we can just register for another card para pwede naman tayo mag-visit ulit sa MaxiCare Primary Care Centers natin for the free consultation. Okay? Next, flash on your screens are our MaxiCare teleconsult hotlines. So as MaxiCare members, guys, yes, we all have this benefit to speak with our physicians over the phone. So you can please take a screenshot para may reference po kayo sa mga hotline numbers natin. Kasi let's say if ever yung main hotline natin sa Manila is busy, pero kailangan na natin makipag-usap with a physician over the phone, you can try to call our other hotline numbers. Kung saan lang po mas faster. Also, same kanina guys, if ever our E-Ready Advance is already being deactivated, meaning either na-use na siya or nag-expire na siya, hindi na rin tayo pwede mag-avail ng teleconsult benefit natin. Dapat lang po active yung plan. So how does our teleconsult benefit work? So let's watch this video.
Mr. Sanchez, where is the report? Sir!
Stress na ako. Pang-apat na ata to. Hinihingan pa ako ng presentation ni boss. Ano po ba dapat kong gawin? Dok!
Okay. Our top priority is to keep you hydrated. Kailangan uminom ka ng maraming tubig. Take oral rehydration salt.
Care is just a call away. With MaxiCare's 24/7 teleconsult service, every MaxiCare Principal member and their dependent gets free expert medical consultation from reliable MaxiCare partner doctors anywhere at any time. Sa MaxiCare 24/7 teleconsult service, ang alaga parang nariyan lang. MaxiCare.
And that's how our MaxiCare teleconsult service works. So call our teleconsult hotline if you need to speak with our physicians, okay? So the big question, guys, just a little recap. Who can apply? So again, this is for our members who are 15 days old, newborn, to 65 years old, senior loved ones. So kahit children, parents, senior loved ones, pwede mag-apply for this plan. All applications are approved. Ang usage lang po, dapat emergency, okay? But let's say, Miss Anne, magsi-66 na ako next month. Pwede pa ba ako mag-apply? So the answer is yes. As long as we register before your 66th birthday, qualified pa rin tayo to apply. So, paano nga ba mag-apply? So, may 3 steps po tayo. We will need to ask for your information para po malink natin yung E-Ready Advance card sa name ng member. So, sa name ninyo po. Kaya, message me after this session. We only have 3 steps. You are only 3 steps away, guys, from availing this card. So, message me after this session. After 15 minutes, may E-Ready Advance na po tayo. So again, let's answer another set of your questions. This is one of the most commonly asked questions. You might ask, Miss Anne, paano ko ba malalaman kapag emergency siya or not? So the answer, guys, is we really recommend for you to speak with our doctors kasi sila yung experts and they know the medical field better than us. So I always recommend to my clients, if hindi naman po tayo sure kung emergency ba siya or not, kasi di ba if hindi emergency, hindi tayo covered. So we need to ask muna with our experts, mag-call na lang po muna tayo via our teleconsult to speak with our doctors and seek for medical advice. Doc, emergency na ba ito? Ano ba yung next steps kong gawin? So, at least pwede po tayo mag-request ng medical prescription para may endorsement na po sila if kailangan talaga ma-rush sa ER. At least may medical advice tayo nakuha before tayo pumunta ng hospital. Tapos yun pala, hindi pala emergency, hindi talaga kasi tayo ma-covered. So, kailangan emergency yung case. Hindi tayo sure, let's speak with our doctors via teleconsult. At least from the comforts of your homes, you can already ask advice from our doctors, okay? Pero syempre, if emergency naman po talaga, like unconsciousness, aksidente, rush na talaga sa ER. Miss Anne, may COVID-19 coverage ba yung e-Ready Advance? So yes guys, may COVID-19 coverage po tayo. We received the memo from Mexicare. May 3 qualifications po tayo to qualify for the COVID-19 coverage. Dapat po diagnosed as probable or suspect or even COVID-19 positive. So covered tayo up to 50,000 emergency leading to confinement. So to check if qualified ba, same thing, please call our teleconsult and seek advice from our doctors if diagnosed nga po ba talaga tayo as probable suspect. If kailangan pa swab test, request for medical prescription. Okay? So if ever qualified tayo, COVID-19 probable or suspect yung diagnosis, rush kagad sa ER within 24 hours from the diagnosis. Okay? Para ma-cover. What if advised for hospital transfer? Yun din ang usual question. So, covered ba ni e-Ready Advance kapag nag-advise si doc na ipa-transfer ng ibang hospital? So, no guys. Only one hospital, one e-Ready Advance coverage tayo. So, one discharge bill lang po kasi yung pwedeng i-cover ni Maxicare. Okay? Kasi one-time use nandin po yung plan natin. Another question is, may physical card ba? So we have only an e-card, guys. No physical card kasi this is one-time use. But as you avail the benefits, just present this e-card, which I will be sending via email, and then present it with your valid ID. Okay, Miss Tyne Tejeda is also asking, paano po if nagamit na yung card, pwede ba ulit mag-purchase? That's a good question, Miss Stein. You are correct. We can purchase again after 7 days from the activation. So example, June 1, nagamit natin kasi members na tayo today, tapos activated after 7 days, tapos nagamit natin on June 1 kaagad. We can reapply for a new e-Ready Advance card para may coverage tayo ulit on June 8. So dapat after 7 days from the activation, dun pa lang tayo pwede mag-register. So just contact me again as your agent. I will accommodate this request to reapply for e-Ready Advance. Okay? Magkano po ang Prima Gold? So yes, Ms. Stein, although we have not discussed this today in our session, our Prima Gold is 12,999, good for 1 year. This is designed for our senior loved ones for unlimited consultation and unlimited laboratory with emergency coverage. So please message me after this session so I can send you the brochure. Miss Nori is also asking, sa student, ano po ang pwede sa kanila? So Miss Nori, when choosing for a healthcare plan, it will always depend to you whichever coverage you need. So ano po ba yung priority ninyo? Gusto nyo ba ng emergency coverage? Gusto nyo ba ng healthcare consultation and laboratory? So it should be depending on what you need first. Pero if ever student naman po, qualified naman po sila for Maxicare e-Ready Advance if the e-Ready Advance coverage fits your needs. So i-assess muna natin, ano po ba mas kailangan ng student na member na sinasabi niyo po ngayon? Is it the emergency coverage? If yes, qualified po sila for e-Ready Advance. Pero gusto niyo lang po ba ng consultation and labs? May ibang plan din po tayo for that. So message me after this session so we can also assess your needs. Okay? Other questions? Let's see if we still have questions from our members. Sir Bong is also asking, sa Unli Checkup, kapag po ni-require ng doc na magpa-lab, kasama po ba sa Maxicare? So Sir Bong, that's a very good question. If only yung Maxicare plan natin, yung naka-register sa member, is only a Maxicare e-Ready Advance, hindi po kasi covered yung outpatient laboratory. So, hindi po covered if mag-advise si doc na ipalabs, hindi po covered ni e-Ready Advance, hindi po siya ma-honor sa affiliated clinics natin. So, honored lang yung labs if during emergency. Pero if outpatient, meaning hindi confined, hindi emergency, labs are not covered. Miss Rani Kervin Brito is asking, pwede ba to sa dental? So we have Metro Dental partners. Metro Dental is the clinic mismo. It is affiliated with Mexicare. For eReady Advance, we only have 10% discount. So if ever magkano po yung service ng dental na kailangan nyo po, magbibigay si Dental Clinic, Metro Dental, ng 10% discount by showing your Mexicare eReady Advance card. Okay? Other questions? Miss Stein is also asking, for the consultations and labs, is it also one-time use only or it can be used for a year? Miss Stein, the only benefit for outpatient for this Mexicare eReady Advanced plan is the free consultations, no laboratories. So yes, consultations can be used multiple times a year kapag eReady Advance is still active. Pero pag hindi na po active, hindi na rin tayo pwede mag-avail ng consultation. Labs is not part of the coverage. So even if nag-advise si doc, hindi talaga makakover ng Maxicare eReady Advance yung outpatient labs. Okay? Other questions? Keep your questions coming din ha. We still have maybe we can accommodate mga 3 or 4 more questions. How about po sa pedia? Free po ba ang check-up questions? Ano po ang best choice sa Maxicare prepaid card? So Miss Carrie Dre, the pedia, if ever but yung member na nag-register for eReady Advance is a child, we have pediatricians in our Maxicare primary care center. So yes, they can also avail the consultations only. So if ever they want to visit our physicians, pediatricians, go directly to our Maxicare primary care centers. Your second question, ano po yung best choice sa Maxicare prepaid cards? The best choice, Miss Carrie Dre, is depending to what fits your needs. So we need to assess first, Miss Carrie Dre, kung ano po ba yung mas priority ninyo. Prioritize natin ba for emergency preparation or priority natin yung mga check-ups or labs? So i-assess po natin kung ano po yung kailangan natin first, tapos hanapin natin yung health card na nag-fit sa mga needs natin. If emergency yung kailangan natin, yes, qualified po sila for eReady Advance. Pero if labs, may ibang plan po tayo for that. Okay? Message me after this session so we can send the brochure. Prenatal check-up or free consultation asked by Miss Caridri. Kasama po ba for the eReady Advance? So our PCCs, guys, also have an OBGYN. So we have an OBGYN in all of our branches. If the member is pregnant, they can have the consultations with our OBGYN. Okay? Free as long as the eReady Advance is still active. That's a good question. Although, just to clarify din po, because we're also talking about maternity, if emergency, yung pregnant woman, covered po, basta emergency not related to maternity. Pero pag si member pregnant, tapos gusto niya gamitin yung eReady Advance for the labor, the CS, hindi na po siya covered. Kasi emergency cases lang po talaga yung covered natin. Pregnancy or maternity po kasi is scheduled. So alam po natin when yung labor date natin. So hindi siya covered. Only the emergency cases. Okay? So I think we no longer have other questions, but if you have, please feel free to comment and we will respond to you after this session, okay? Or we'll send you a message. All right. So that's it for tonight for our eReady Advance. And lastly, guys, if you want to join me in this mission of sharing about the benefits of having a healthcare plan, now is your chance to be one of us. So you may contact our accreditation team. It's flashed on your screens. You can also earn commissions on the side by helping others find the best healthcare solutions for them. So jumpstart your career with us and see you here soon. And guys, for me, I have been here with Maxicare as an agent for 3 years now. I can truly say that they are very supportive to their agents. And I'm so grateful to our Maxicare team. Sila po yung nag-organize ng Facebook Live natin tonight. They're there at the background. Thank you so much, our marketing team. They are really supportive with their agents. Also, guys, be part of our Viber community and follow us on our Instagram and TikTok accounts. You may scan the QR codes flashed on your screen. Okay, we also have a contest and we also have a game. So join us by following the mechanics flashed on your screen. So selfie with your e-ready plan and you can get a chance to win our exciting prizes only if we will join our Viber community. So make sure to scan the QR code and join our contest. Okay, so selfie lang with your e-ready advance. Miss Anne, e-card lang yung meron sa akin. Also phone and your e-card. Okay? So right now, the most awaited part, guys, we will now announce our winners. So are you ready? Can you please comment, yes, I'm ready or ready? Comment below so that we will announce the winners. Okay, so we have 3 winners tonight. To start with, congratulations, Miss Nori Alonsabe. You're one of our winners. Congratulations. Next, we have Miss Grace Rogero. Congratulations, you're one of our winners. And last but not the least, we have Sir Bong Geeking. Congratulations. So congrats to all our winners and thank you to everyone who have participated the games. And watch out lang guys ha, because we still have a grand raffle just by participating with our games. Pwede pa rin po kayo manalo sa ating grand raffle by the end of the month. Okay, so did you learn something, guys? Can you please comment yes below if you did? Okay, let's see your comments if you have learned something. All right. Yes, yes. Thank you so much. Thank you so much as well for staying here with us for our live session. Thank you, everyone, for joining me. It's been a pleasure to share with you our best-selling healthcare e-ready advanced card. We really appreciate din the feedback from our clients who told us nakapag-save po talaga sila from an emergency. Imagine po, guys, what if you have this e-ready advanced under your name or under your family's name? Magkano kayo yung masisave natin? Diba up to 50,000 din because MaxiCare can cover up to 50,000. So, hindi na yung mga savings natin, hindi na siya nagalaw kasi si MaxiCare na yung nag-cover ng 50,000. O diba, it's really sulit. It's really best to prepare. Okay, so it's an honor to be here. Thank you so much again for inviting me, MaxiCare. I am Anne Nathalie, your friendly MaxiCare agent, and I'm looking forward to work with you and your family soon. Have a blessed Mother's Day, guys. Enjoy your Mother's Day this Sunday. Stay safe. Good night. Thank you. Thank you, everyone.